I literally cut that woman right in half from the waist. That was awesome. Yeah, like right where the hip meets that bottom vertebrae of your spine. I cut her like right there. Ooh. That's mail.
Thanks, great job. We'll make good use of this.
But remember, I'm leaving for a little while. I mean, when later, I'll be fine. Yeah, the Excalibur, I got stuff to repair it.
Won't find bad.
I didn't even...
Whoa, not so fast.
I also get a lopstick every day. Airdrop, airdrop. Go get the airdrop. It is. It's not far closer than this. Yeah. She had stirred up a bunch of them. I'm chopping their heads off. Oh my god, that one's yellow. Oh yeah, I guess so. I don't have my glasses. Oh, the yellow, like, the skin's yellow. Yeah, they explode. I know. It's really nice when there's a horde following you, and you got one of them, you just shoot the tank and where are you going? Oh, what do you gotta run? I got it. Where'd Ricky go? Ricky just disappeared. Oh yeah. I've already seen Daredevil though. Oh no, that's not the movie was like terrible. I just didn't like it because he could technically what's that gonna be? I haven't watched anything past like a couple seasons back. I'm pretty sure I have only seen season 3 and part of season 4. I have no idea what I'm doing with this back here. Oh, that almost would have been bad. I forget how to, there we go. I knew heal was one of the, yeah, man. Why? Yeah, really. No way. Actually. We'll do anything with these. We have got a katana with a 387. I almost bought something with 28. I was like, well, that's not right. Because it can.
Thank you. We really needed these supplies.
So I found out my dad's trying to hook up the Wi-Fi printer so that my mom can use it, and for some reason it's not letting her. So he was sitting there turning on and off the Wi-Fi on the internet because it's the smart modem or whatever. Is it nighttime right now? Oh.
Hey, we've got a poor
Yes.
person. Yeah, no kidding.
Yeah.
Alright, everybody go ahead and activate their voices in chat.
I always have mine like that. I got a brand new pair of roller skates. She's got a brand new key.
What? Dude, that's awesome.
What is?
Your thing. Hold on, let me, yeah.
Oh yeah, it's part of the
I'm very
DLC.
jelly, bro.
Fuck off and die!
Ow! Dougie, what are you doing all the way over
I
here?
owe you, mate.
Oh, wait. Wait, yeah, what is it?
I gotta.
Oh yeah, that's where I was going to. By my dad playing with the internet. Okay, power cable.
Yeah, everything's still for sale. Just be quiet, okay?
What's
What?
up? Yeah, but
Yeah, where is it? Just right down the road.
Same place it was before, Ducky.
Or is it? No, I think it's on the highway. Stuck on a bitch! What kind of ninja am I? I'm just on it, family. Ninja's good. Oh crap.
No, I'm following Ducky like a retard. Ducky, I
stuck on a
think we
wall.
might have found a secret. No, I thought there was.
I'm a secret called grappling hook.
Yeah, it's called. Us two don't have those.
Oh crap. So one of y'all want to come revive me?
No, let them die. Don't worry about it.
Oh, I'll spawn right next to it. Oh, I just killed myself. I'll spawn right next to it. Tower. What the heck? How did you guys not die going down that? Dougie, come back.
But we're better than
What are you afraid of?